So I went upstairs and got ready, guys, and I did the makeup look. The camera's not doing it any justice. It's just like a bronzy look here.
I just wanna show you off. I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of a mall?
So first I'm taking my Benefit Professional Illuminating Primer and tapping that into my skin. I'm also going to use my Eco Tools sponge to pounce that into my skin even better so those pores can be filled. Then I'm taking my Maybelline Matte and Fit Me in the color 332 for shade reference, and I'm pouncing that all over my skin with my Eco Tools sponge. I'm going to get everything, the ears, the neck, the nose, a little bit on the forehead. I go to the forehead last because I don't want all that foundation on there. Then I'm going to powder and just put a little Coty Airspun on my smile lines. And then on top of my eyebrows because I will be doing them, and around my nose. Then I'm taking these Versace 24 karat rose gold drops and putting it under my eyes and tapping that in with the Eco Tool sponge. Then I'm going to do my brows really fast with this e.l.f. pencil. By the way, y'all, $2 for this pencil, and it makes brows effortless. And then I start in the front and I make little hairline strokes just like so. And then I color it in one more time. But these are going to be waterproof brows, so I'm going to go and spoolie it out first. Then I'm going to use the Kat Von D 24 hour brow on top of it. And then I'm going to spoolie that out as well so it's not so harsh. Then I am going to put some translucent powder on top. I feel like it gives it a natural look, and that's my last step for waterproof brows. So that's that. Then I'm going to take this NYX Wonder Stick and just conceal to clean up the eyebrows to make them look more, fleeky. And I'm going to act the fool for a minute. Yeah, embarrassing. Then I'm going to go in my Too Faced Sculpting Concealer in light beige. And I'm definitely going to take it down the sides of my nose as well as my under eyes so that my nose will appear smaller when I contour it. And then I'm going to use it on my eyelids as eyeshadow primer. I feel like it works really well, getting in where those dark circles are, really packing that concealer on. Then I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose with my Tarteist Pro palette. Then I'm just gonna buff it out, going towards the side. We gotta snatch that nose. Then I'm gonna buff in my concealer with my Eco Tool sponge. Then I'm gonna take this flat brush and just really make sure that that concealer is really, really blended in. And yeah, then I'm gonna take the Coty Airspun. It's time to bake. I always bake on the sides of my nose, right against where I laid that nose contour. And then, of course, underneath my eyes. Then underneath where I lay my contour, it gives a more chiseled effect. Then I'm going to go in with the Tarteist Pro palette one more time and just put the powder on top, the powder contour shade on top of the cream contour shade. Don't worry, it looks crazy now, but we're going to buff it out. And then I'm going to wipe off that powder, getting all that powder off. Then I'm going in with this Anastasia contour kit, and I'm using that medium shade and going all around my face. My favorite stippling brush, which is the Morphe M427, but then I like to go in with this e.l.f. contour brush. I love this brush, and then I'm just gonna blend it in some more. It makes it look so good. Then I'm gonna spray. It's jam sesh time. Okay, now that I'm done acting crazy, we're gonna go into this Too Faced Life is a Festival palette. I'm going to go into the only transition shade the palette has. Using my Morphe buffing brush, just going to keep blending. That's the trick. Just keep blending back and forth. And then on the other side, just windshield wiper motions and circular at the end. Then I'm going to go in with this other shade, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. It's such a beautiful golden shade. Look at how it makes the eyes just light up. I love it. Then I'm going in with this other shade and putting it towards the end of the lid, towards the corner. But I am going to go into my Chocolate Gold by Too Faced, and I'm going to add with my Morphe 36 just to give the eye look more definition. So I'm going in the crease with the brown and the black of that palette, and then I'm buffing it out again with the same blending brush. And this is just a super easy eye look. I just threw this together. So that's pretty much it. It's done already. But I did decide that I wanted to add this Stila glitter in Diamond Dust. I freaking love adding this. I'd put this all over my face. I'm not even kidding. So I'm throwing that in the inner corner and on the brow bone. Love it. It just takes your look to another level. And it puts me in a good mood, see? Then I'm going to buff it out so that it doesn't look so crazy and disperse the glitter. Then I'm going to go in with my E36, or actually my my Morphe M433, and buff that golden shade underneath my lower lash line. And then to make it have some depth, I'm going to add that black with my E36, and we're done. Now we're really done. Okay. Now we're going to add some blush. I'm going in with this blush that I got from Ipsy. Now I learned this trick from Jeffree Star. You spray your highlighting brush and then you wait. And you just wait. And then I'm going to put on mascara, which is the Stila Extreme Huge Lash. But now we're going to go into the Tarteist Pro palette, and we're going to buff in that highlighter and put a little on our nose. I love this highlighter. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. And then I'm going in with Tansy by ColourPop as the first layer of liquid lipstick. I love this color, and ColourPop never lets me down as far as staying power and application. Then I thought that wasn't crazy enough, so I wanted to put this PYT by ColourPop, which is like a gold, but I'm going to take a little lip brush or a flat dense brush and tap that in to just make it have like an ombre effect. And I'm going to spray my sponge one more time, just go over that highlighter to really make it pop. And yeah, that's it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys love it. It's definitely glowy. It was easy. It's nothing big. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.